Hi ma'am, good afternoon. I am Clavella Stevens from BSIT 4D. So I'm going to discuss or to present the Node.js overview of Node.js, setting Node.js environment setup, HTTP module, file system, the client-server architecture, and the introduction to cloud server. So Node.js. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform runtime environment for executing JavaScript code. Node is used extensively for server-side programming, making it possible for developers to use JavaScript for client-side and server-side code without needing to learn an additional language. Node is just commonly used to develop real-time applications, also known as RTES. It's asynchronous, event-driven nature. It allows it to handle heavy input or output operation, which makes it much easier for Node. So it is mostly used for server-side programming. So this is the Node.js apps: PayPal, LinkedIn, Yahoo, Mozilla, Netflix, Uber, Groupon, and GoDaddy. So HTTP module. What is HTTP and example? So HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. That WW is about communication between web clients and servers. Communication between client computer and web servers is done by sending HTTP requests and receiving HTTP responses. The HTTP module can create an HTTP server that listens to server ports and gives a response back to the client. There is HTTP module in Node. It is used for making a web server to handle requests and provide responses. What is called a file? A file system or a file is a container in a computer system for storing information, the common storage unit in a computer. File is used in computers are similar in features to that of paper documents used in library and office files. So in computer, file system, sometimes written file system, is the way in which files are named and where they are placed logically for storage and retrieval. Without a file system, stored information wouldn't be isolated into individual files and would be difficult to identify and retrieve. A file system is a method of organizing files or physical media, such as hard disk, CDs, and flash drives. The two most common file systems in Windows are as follows: NTFS and FAT. So events in Node.js. Every action on a computer is an event, like when the connection is made or a file is opened. Objects in Node.js can fire events like the read stream. Objects fire events when opening and closing a file. Client-server architecture. What is client? What is a server? How does the client-server model works? Is there any alternative? The web is a service that allows computers to share and exchange data, such as the web referred to as client-server communication. What is the client? Client can be a machine or a program. A client machine. The client program is a program that allows the users to make requests. For example, that the client, whether a machine or a program, is an appliance and a way to make requests through the web. The server is the computer program, not a device. High-performance computers are called servers because they are on server programs. Servers provide a functionality and serve other programs called client. Single server can serve multiple clients at the same time. We can run multiple servers on a single machine. They are called virtual server. There are several types of servers: web servers and database servers. Server can contain web resources hosts web applications, stores users and program data, and etc. It is used to serve hundreds or thousands of clients. A server is always listening for a request, and as soon as it receives one, responds with a message. So this is a client-server model. The client-server model is just one way for the computers to communicate via the web. Client-server is based on a client or on a centralized structure. There is another to communicate via decentralized structure. Peer-to-peer model, there is no client and no server. Both computers can be requesters and response providers. They are able to send or retrieve data directly with one another. A client is a machine or a program that we use to make requests through the web. A server is a program that listens for our requests and responds to them. Cloud server. So what exactly cloud means? The cloud refers to servers that are accessed over the internet and the software and database that run on those servers. Cloud servers are located in data centers all over the world. What is an example of cloud server? Amazon, Microsoft Azure instances, and Google Compute Engine instances. Google Drive is a free cloud-based storage service that enables users to store and access files online. A server and a cloud. When you use a cloud server, you are storing your data in a shared virtual environment. In contrast, the traditional or on-site server that is housed on your premises is either managed by your own IT staff or outsourced to another IT provider. Why do we use cloud server? Cloud servers are stable, fast and secure. They avoid the hardware issues seen with physical servers, and they are likely to be the most stable option for businesses wanting to keep their IT budget down. Cloud servers provide a faster service for your money. So that's all. Thank you.